So the second thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create a first setup. Creating a new setup you can simply do by pressing Create New Setup. We believe that creating a setup, a good mountain bike setting setup, can be done in 2 or 3 good ways. The first way we also recommend doing with SAGLY is creating the setup in the Creating Setup wizard, which consists of 6 parts, and there are also easy setup guides on top, where you can get recommendations how to set up the tire pressure and how to set up the air pressure with the sag method, and then rebound and compression with hints. Based on that, you can set up the fork, the shock, and the tires. Then there's a quick balance check where there is an exercise how you can check if your mountain bike is balanced between the rear and the front part. The second method how you can create your mountain bike setup is by doing bracketing. You can also do the bracketing method with SAGLY. It's more for advanced and more professional, semi-professional mountain bikers. First you do the sag method, then you close or open all other settings except air pressure or coil pressure, and then you basically do runs on your favorite trail or your home trail or wherever, and you go click by click in one direction until you're satisfied with one setting. Of course, when you do this method, you should know what changes which setting is doing on your mountain bike. And then you repeat this cycle with, let's say, high-speed rebound, low-speed rebound, high-speed compression, etc. And at the end, you should have a great setup, especially for those trails in those conditions. You can repeat it in other conditions and create a second setup or whatever. And the third method will be the AI setup method, where we gonna do data science on the setups we have in SAGLY, and we give recommendations based on linear relationships between settings and setups of riders with the same height or weight and part models like you have.